Our div is a generic element, so doesn't have a specific function or use. So our div is used in HTML as a container or a group of components. Let's try to use it. Here I'm just gonna make a div. So it's pretty simple, just adding some elements. Maybe I'm gonna add an image, and I'm gonna get one from the browser. It's working. Okay, it's gonna too big. I don't know why, but I'm just gonna do that. So, okay, let's continue. Here I'm just gonna add an H2 to my image, H2, and I'm just gonna say my image, and it's working fine. So that was today's video. Leave a like if you like the video, and if you have any further questions, leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching.